Hello, it's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. Thank you for tuning in. Tonight we are adjusting Brianna. My filmer, my daughter, the person that's in charge of all of these videos, that puts them all together, edits them. She is going to be our model today. Wonderful day. So, how you feeling, cutie? What's up?
My lower back kind of hurts. I think from standing and doing the camera.
Filming? Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
and from sitting at my desk.
Yeah. Editing. All right.
Yeah.
Same. This posture, you know, with the headphones, looking at the stuff. You know, it really does. It rips up the back. All right. Cool. Facing down.
Okay.
Obviously, Bree has been adjusted since she was a baby. You know, 1 hour old. It was super cute when she came out. She was so quiet. So quiet. We were like, hello. And I hung out with her, adjusted her. It was great. Mom had some issues. She had to go. Perfect. Beautiful.
Oh, I felt that.
Yeah, man, this is all tight in here. Stop watching so many videos.
I've been working on the vlog.
Yeah. I'm no longer COVID positive. I am still positive, but I'm COVID negative. I just released that vlog. That was a good one. Yeah, I do feel that tightness. Okay, turn on your side, facing me this way. Beautiful. This thing is crunchy. Making a lot of noise.
What's
It's
crunchy?
bad. Can you hear that beautiful cracking sound in your back? It's
My
perfect.
shoes are squeaky too.
Oh well. Let's stretch it out, man. Good. How's your jaw?
Still tight.
We still gotta work. Let's bring that graphene home. All right,
Okay.
and we'll do the far infrared to try to soften this. You just don't want scar tissue forming here.
Mhm.
Bree took a jump in snowboarding and had some trauma to her face as a result. And it's creating this pretty wicked muscle tightness of the masseter muscle on the right side. Now, we all wear masks these days, so you can't tell what the heck is under there anyway, but it's tight and I don't like it. So we're going to use far infrared, but we'll be off camera for that. And to help bring blood and nitric oxide to help that muscle heal without scar tissue. It's kind of funny, my knees are cracking as I get up.
I heard them.
Perfect. Beautiful job. Oh, amazing. All right, turn and face me. 22 years of adjustments, you know. Good. Your low back is a little tight, man. All right,
Yeah.
come on up.
I know.
Yeah.
I know I have bad posture too.
It's a forever project to work on. One of my favorite tools, you don't even have to buy anything. You get a rolled up bath towel, put it perpendicular to your spine at the shoulder blade area. So we work on extension, laying over it all day long. We're this way. We need to do something opposite. So rolled up bath towel works very well on the floor. Beautiful, Bree. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Hannah, for filming. All right. Beautiful. Taking over there.
Taking my place.
Make sure you subscribe, Captain Crunch DC. All right, we got some cool stuff coming up. We're going to vlog the entire quest for Loretta Lynn. That's going to be exciting. We got motocross coming up. All right.
And adjustments.
And adjustment videos, of course. You know, that's how we afford the motocross. Thank you all. See ya.